Yes, massive wagwan. I hope so everybody is out there doing well, you know. Yeah, man, I say blessed love and welcome to the channel, is it? Yeah. Who remember when time it went kind of have a little shameful stigma if you say he's a countryman? Not anymore. See? Yeah, all of that change, you know. You see? Alright, you know. A whole heap of little things in a Jamaica kind of change, you see it? And the stigma as to who is a countryman or if you come from a country and then kind of sitting there, people that look down upon you and laugh off of you and you feel one little kind of shame to say, yeah, a country where I come from or a country where I grew up and then kind of sitting there, you see it? But right you know what? Among some other people, Color Smith help change the perception there. You see it? And Color Smith make a lot of us now feel strong and feel proud to say a country we come from. You see it? Because we see the youth him highlight the simple country lifestyle. Things what we do in a country, how we live in a country, run up and down in a bush and cook in a bush, and you understand? And the youth take it on one different kind of level now. You understand? We're out of what him generate from showing or displaying the country activity, him also use that for set a foundation for help others and them kind of thing. They use it. And for that we can't do nothing more than respect the youth here differently still, you see. And the more me listen to Colors and the more me watch Colors, me realize personally my upbringing and Color Smith upbringing is somewhat similar. You see it? And that's why the things them what him do resonate so much with me differently still. You see it? Because me I listen a video where him do with his mother and them kind of thing. There you see it, and she talk about his upbringing and them kind of thing. There you see it, and honestly, it remind me so much of how we grew up seeing we as a youth, because I grew up from a humble background seeing we too. And as I say in my last video, me as a youth, I bounce around with a whole heap of different people. See? Because I want to take pride in saying this, you know. I don't know if my generation or the last generation where the community grew. But me can take pride in saying this. The community what me growing are the community that grow me. And the village grow me differently still. You understand? So me they all about a people yard and me there everybody place. Me there all over the place. You understand? Some people say good about me, some people say all kind of derogatory things same way to criticize my parents and all kind of sitting, you know, my presence and them kind of sitting. And me hear parents tell them children or whatever. One night time me they up one of my bridging yard and my bridging mother come about the place. And she a cuss out my bridging and I say, if a them people you call friend, you see it, and you understand? I reprimand our son and I tell him, say, you understand? You know, if you keep my company, because I'm not going to come to nothing in life and them kind of thing. You see it? So, when me I say, the community grow me, it wasn't all rosy, and everybody will say good things about we seeing way too. But one of the things what carry me through, and my willingness to help, and my humbleness, and me conducting myself in a one mannerable kind of way. So me did have manners. You see it? And when me hear Color Smith mother talk about him differently still, it make me think, cause me did kind of clock this differently still, you know. Me did mention it in a one of my long time video them. When me I say it look like Color Smith, I when one of the youth them where he grew up on the lower spectrum of the social status. And him rise, him grow. And him grow past some people where them probably never expect him to grow so big. You understand? And I did say that because I kind of did see that. As I said, the youth, the things them what the youth do differently still. It resonate with me. Not because me they are foreigner and I watch some people at Jamaica. It's because of the same kind of way how we grew up. The same kind of activities where me and my little friend them used to carry out. Same way too. So them kind of things there, as me say, it give you a sense of connection. And because me know now, and me start to learn more now about the youth background and the kind of people them who connect with him, it start to resonate more and more with me differently still. You see it? And as me I say, respect to colors. See? So, me see colors link this lady here. No, you understand? And this lady here, yeah, the lady here now differently still. The first time me see her, the first video me see with her, is when colors when I go St. Vincent. And she stuck some barrel and she and some other ladies. When make a video and they must say, yeah, they must send the stuff on behalf of Color Smith TV down to St. Vincent. But at the time when I see the video, me never really understand how essential this lady was to Color Smith organization. You see it? Me never grasp on how important she was to the movement. See? And when Daddy Gargan now start to talk about her certain kind of way, it make me go over now, because me never know that she have a channel. So it's when me hear Daddy Gargan talk about her channel, me pop over now and me really realize say, oh, this lady, she do her thing, man, and me subscribe on them kind of thing. They see it and watch her videos and them kind of thing. They see it. And why me I say Color Smith kind of remind me so much of how me grow is also with the association to this lady. Seeing, cause but I say that boy, I don't know how to express this differently. Say, but watch you now. You see that lady there? Auntie Pauline. Auntie Pauline remind me of a lady what me grew partially with. See? And a lot of the things them where me learn, a lot of the values where me hold, a lot of the things them where mold me into who I am today is as a result of growing up partially with this lady. See? And the lady who me talk about in the community where me grow. And everybody who know me, and know who grew me, and know all of them things about me, know me on one personal level, know say everything what me I say is fact. See? So all of the values and all of them manners and all of them respect where me hold is as a result of growing with this lady. See? And guess what? You see the lady who may attack, everybody in the community call her either grandma or Aunt May. See? And guess what? Aunt May almost look exactly like Auntie Pauline. Them look alike, them have the same complexion. See? And watch you now. Is a woman who love flowers same way too. See? So if you don't hear me talking in my videos, I may always talk about flower garden and all of them sitting there. If you don't grow flowers and the flowers we talk to and all of them things, it's because of something what me live, or something what me grow up around. You see it? So me when I have to go water flowers, me used to have to mulch flowers and all of them things, everything what you know so people have to do to take care of the flower garden. A part of my responsibility growing up with this lady. See? So when me I watch Auntie Pauline now and me see Auntie Pauline flower garden and she have a little vegetable garden and them kind of things. And she go and pick vegetable from her garden and me I say, me I look around in the place and me I say, oh beautiful the yard is. You understand? And I can see it say, the lady, I want respectable, respectful, elderly lady. So guess what me, you know? When me realize how similar me and Colors growing up is, and if you see Colors connect with this lady, you know, Auntie Pauline. And Auntie Pauline remind me of the lady who actually grew me. You don't know how that feel, you know? Me sure say a lot of people now go understand it because watch ya. You have to live them things, you have to experience and overs what me I deal with. Because guess what me I know? You see when me I grow up, Aunt May used to tell me say, any woman doesn't love flowers is not a good woman. And your woman must always have flowers or want to have a flowers garden and them kind of things. You see it. And when me I watch Auntie Pauline, me I tell you say the lady whole life just remind me. It give me that whole nostalgic vibration that whisper me I say, me feel like a child again. Just watching our video, me feel like a child again because of how me grow. From Friday morning up to Friday afternoon, kitchen busy. Because everybody I make preparation for Sabbath. That are the only seemingly difference is that me not sure but Auntie Pauline probably is a Christian pan a different persuasion, but Aunt May was a 7-day Adventist. So me grew up Friday in the kitchen, it look everything activity. Me have to go taste this and taste that and check this. When a baking time, me have to mix up butter and sugar and me mix butter and sugar till me hand pain me. See? And you have to mix out the butter and the sugar them time they don't know. Electric mixer, you have to mix it with your hand until the butter and the sugar get fluffy and almost look white. And I watch Auntie Pauline and I tell you, so the whole vibration, the whole nostalgia just hit me. And I said, Jah no star, this could have been real. And it made me start to think like I say right now, differently still. You see, why it's so important for we hold certain kind of decorum and conduct ourselves certain kind of manner and have respect in how we present ourselves. Because we have decent people like Auntie Dana. We connect to Color Smith and them a watch all of us. That's why me always a stress on how we conduct ourselves and the kind of things them what we say to each other and about each other. See? Me know say them things are important. Just as how Auntie Pauline is important to the brand of Color Smith. See? We have, because me sure say Auntie Dana is not, me keep saying Auntie Dana. Me sure say Auntie Pauline is not the only one. See? She is just one of the many decent people, elderly people, what tune in and watch we. So that's why it's so important for we conduct and present ourselves in our presentable manner. See? Because guess what? Enough of we grow good enough. We might grow humble, but we grow decent. But because of the aggression and how the world aggressive, we kind of have to aggress and fit ourselves in the aggression and make it seem like I say we aggressive same way too. But a lot of us grow decent. And we not fi come round here, come present ourselves in a manner where it a go bring shame to ourselves and the people them who grow with. Because not just your parents alone have part in how you're developing. All of the people them around you will have some kind of input in your life. The lady there when you used to give you one shirt, bring one shorts for you, give you 50 cents and tell you say you must go on down a shop go buy one cheese strip. All of them people there have some impact and them left some mark on you. So when time you come on the internet, we have to represent, and we not only represent with self, we are represent with community, we are represent how we grow. See? So we have to conduct ourselves in a manner that means it not bring no shame upon we, and it not bring shame upon the people them who actually help for mold we. See? One time I say, in one of my long time video, I say, look like Colors is a youth where him used to have manners to all people, and a whole heap of blessing in get where all people rub your head and say, God bless you, my son. See? Because enough of them things that me get to, you know. Quite a few old people tell me, say, God bless you, my son. Because guess what? You see, enough time I go to church, or enough time I go choir practice, follow aunt me go choir practice and then things. Sometimes the old people, them all forget all the song book and all kind of thing. And then ask me, run, go up a yard, go get this, go call the person there and get the book for me and come back. And I run chop, go and come back. When time I come back, then rub their hand on me and say, God bless you, my son. You see it? So you see, all of them things, me know say, them things mold me and take me to the place where me the right here now. Me not gonna say me there the place where it all glamour and glitter and my life is the best and them kind of sitting there. No, that would ain't far from the truth if me go say that. But my life today is far away better than when me I come from. You understand? And me know say things like them there help for mold and guide me to whisper me there today. And me give thanks for them sitting there. See? Yes, when time me a little youth and me a grow up, we used to hear people say, old people have goat mouth. And if old people say anything about you, chances are it will reach you. So you see when time me a little youth, you see if one old woman ever said to me say, I'm so disappointed in you, or tell me say, go on, God go with you. Them things there, it play with my conscience. So me no want to act out as no kind of way whispered. Me want to show no kind of disrespect to the elderly. See? Cause me know say energy real. And me know say once all people tell you say something good go come out of you, and you have to continue do your best, me know say a guidance and cover them put over you. See? So me realize say Colors is a youth where him grow in a country and him take the country lifestyle and establish it to the world. So people all over the world are tuning in and love what the youth do and excited, want to be a part of what him do. Them things that make we feel good, make we feel proud to be a countryman. You see it? Because as I said one time, being a countryman was almost like a little shame. You see it? And this a youth now make we feel like I say, we have hope. We have something to look forward for. You see? It just go for sure say, we don't have to run down negativity. We don't have to run down hype to become something successful or become somebody who the world look up to and love. We can do it through means like what this Virginia do. See? And this just go for sure say, with the love of positivity, with the love of unity, we can accomplish a lot of things. See? And we don't need to tear down each other and get involved in a violent or ill will kind of activity. You see it? So we have examples out here. See? And we feel proud for know say a countryman reach the level here and can inspire other country people to just step out and do their thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So, in the meantime, people, we just want to say give thanks to that moment. You see it? And I'm not going to make that video too drawn out. And you understand? But I just want to say maximum respect to Colors. Maximum respect to Auntie Pauline. Auntie Pauline, as me say, she remind me of the lady who grew me. See, I watch her now. She have two grandsons same way too. Aunt me have two grandsons where the same time same way. I don't know if them would have feel comfortable if we say some white youth, but such is the situation. Aunt me did have some of them youth there, but the only difference is them are when some Canadian. So we are talking about Mark and Jeff. See? And Jeff was more my age. So me and him used to par more when time then come to Jamaica. You see it, and me and him used to run go down at the spring and we catch we little tiki and we catch some little crab and them kind of sitting there. You see it, and them things it build treasured memory. You see me I say as a little youth differently still. Yeah man, and when me see all of this now, as me say, it just give me that little nostalgic vibration and it make me feel like, you understand? Like the values what was passed on to me, it start to make sense now. If that make any sense to anybody what they listen to me. You see it? It really start to make sense now. You see it? And colors. A lot of people love you in England same way though. See? And I hope say you are going to try if you reach in England same way though. See? So look out for that may I look out for that England trip there, you see it? But if you are come to England, make sure say you touch London. Seen brother? Yeah man, so go and bless up yourself. And the next thing, make sure say the link up become an annual thing. Don't just do it and stop. Make sure say it's an annual thing and you advertise it more earlier so people can make plans and do them thing and just do the right thing. You see it? So in the meantime, go and bless up on yourself. Go and bless up on your family. Take care. Heart of love. Give thanks to all the people who subscribe. Much respect. Me see the numbers are go up. Heart of love to everybody. Much appreciation. As me always say, gratitude is a must. And we not take nothing for granted. So until the next video, walk good. Respect. Rastafari bless.